Welcome to Touch Trove. Fire mobile phone today, we're diving into the exciting world of foldables with the latest reveal of the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6, Samsung's newest entry into the book-style foldable industry. While the Galaxy Z Fold range was once considered unmatched, the competition has stepped up, leaving us eager for the potential of the Z Fold 7. Let's break it down. Alien monster, the Galaxy Z Fold 6 didn't bring many major changes, but Samsung still leads the pack in terms of the foldable software experience. So, what do we know about the forthcoming Galaxy Z Fold 7 so far? Magnifying glass tilted left. Based on when Samsung revealed the Z Fold 6, we can expect the Z Fold 7 to be announced around July, giving Samsung some breathing room before the full rush of new phone launches. As of now, there's no indication of anything unusual happening with the reveal timeline. Moneybag pricing details. Reports suggest the Z Fold 7 might be a bit pricier due to rising expenses for the Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset. With the Z Fold 6 priced at $1,799, Samsung already faces challenges in meeting sales expectations, making a potential price increase less than ideal. Artist palette design updates. One of the major challenges in previous Galaxy Z Fold models has been the design, especially with competitors like the OnePlus Open and Google's Pixel 9 Pro Fold offering unique and comfortable designs. Beyond North America, the competition widens significantly with options like the Honor Magic V3, Vivo X Fold 3 Pro, and Huawei's Mate X2. Straight ruler. After Samsung debuted the Z Fold SE in late October 2024, some rumors suggest the Z Fold 7 will follow suit with a larger 6.5-inch cover screen combined with an 8-inch main display. Expected to be slimmer and lighter than the Fold 6, features like S Pen functionality might be absent in the Z Fold 7. Wrench specs. We've heard, as with most top-tier Android phones of 2025, the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite is expected to power the Z Fold 7, offering a 45% improvement in single-core and multi-core performance, while being around 40% more efficient than the previous Snapdragon 8 Gen 3. Trophy additional specifications. Following the trends set by the S25, the Z Fold May 7th come with options up to 16 GB of RAM and 1 TB of storage. The base model is anticipated to have 12 GB of RAM and 256 GB of storage. Camera. With flash camera enhancements, the Z Fold 6 has maintained the same 50MP plus 10MP plus 12MP camera setup for several years. However, even slight improvements to the main camera could attract potential buyers. Battery life and charging. Current rumors suggest that the Z Fold 7 will retain the 4,400 mAh battery and similar charging speeds with 25W cable charging and 15W wireless charging. Fire. Will Samsung listen to its fanbase in 2025 and introduce an original and performant foldable phone? Or will the Z Fold 7 simply follow the path set by the Z Fold Special Edition with some performance upgrades? Only time will tell.